In this question, given that f of x is a times sine pi by 2 times x plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 0, tan x minus sine x by x cube if x is greater than 0. Given that this function is continuous at x is equal to 0, we are asked to find f of a. So again, we'll use the condition for continuity. So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x has to be same as limit x tends to 0 plus f of x has to be same as f of 0. Has to be same as f of 0. So now let us find each of these limits. So limit x tends to 0 minus in the left neighborhood of 0. 0 minus means less than 0. So this is the function a sine pi by 2 times x plus 1. So that is equal to, so you can do the direct substitution. If x is equal to 0, this becomes pi by 2, sine pi by 2 is 1. So a into 1 is equal to a. So this is the left limit. So left limit is exactly equal to a. So whatever this a is, that is the limit. Next, let us go to the right limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus. So in the right neighborhood of 0, this is the function. So tan x minus sine x by x cube. So this can be done in different ways. This can be done by using tan x is equal to sine x by cos x. That's one way. Or you can use the expansions also. So let us use the direct method, tan x as sine x by cos x. So limit x tends to 0 plus. So if I take sine x by cos x as common, so you get 1 minus cos x divided by x cube. So 1 sine x and 1x gets cancelled, gives you 1, because sine x by x tends to 1. And 1 minus cos x. Limit x tends to 0 plus. So sine x by cos x. Cos x is not problematic, so you don't need to do anything with it. So 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2. That is 2 sine x by 2 into sine x by 2 divided by x cube is 1x, another x and another x. So sine x by x goes to 1. So you have sine x by 2 here. So I will divide with 2 and multiply it with 4. So sine x by 2 goes to 1. This goes to 1. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Cos 0 is 1. So effectively the limit is 1 by 2. So right limit is 1 by 2. Left limit is a. What is the functional value? Functional value comes from this function. So if you put exactly x is equal to 0, the functional value is also equal to a. So what is the condition? A is equal to half is equal to a. So effectively, what is the value of a? A has to be equal to half for this function to be continuous at x is equal to 0.